My name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share Philadelphia sushi cake recipe. It's great project for beginners because it's so easy. List of ingredients so simple. As sushi rolls, we can make a lot of variation for this cake. First we cook and add seasoning to our sushi rice. Rice needs to be room temperature when we will be assemble cake. I shred my cucumber on mandolin. Seeded part of cucumber I avoid to use in my sushi cake. To get rid of bitterness, for 10-15 minutes soak in cold water. To flavor cream cheese layer, I use teriyaki glaze. Mix well and taste it. Rice I divided in two parts. For bottom layer of rice, I flavored it with roasted seaweed snacks, sea salt flavor. Instead, we can use nori. Mix well and our ingredients ready. I made my square mold from creamer carton. We can use different molds as long as covered with plastic for easy removal. For example, I make cake in a plastic container, which one I can bring to someone and they don't have return it. My gloves and mold I cover with neutral taste vegetable oil. My first layer rice. Because of oil, it's not sticks to my gloves. Next will be thin layer of flavored cream cheese spread. Layer of cucumber I slightly press into cream cheese. Next layer is fish, and I need to be sure I cover every inch in a cake because we're going to cut in small pieces, and I need to be sure everybody getting fish layer. And last layer, rice with seaweed, which will be the bottom of my cake. I lightly press it with my wine glass. I'm going to place my cake to settle for 1 hour in refrigerator. My cake is almost ready. Now I need to remove it from mold. The top for the presentation I cover with cream cheese spread without flavoring. The top of my cake I sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Nori is like paper and we can make different designs on our cake. On the photo I made Japanese fisherman and sun from mango. Cake cuts well if we use slightly wet knife. I cut cake in small pieces and eat as a sushi. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.